protecting North Texas. This is a New Country 96.3 severe weather alert.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Collin, Denton, and Dallas counties until 7:15. A severe thunderstorm is located near the Colony, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This storm may contain wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour and quarter-sized hail. Portions of I-35 near mile marker 446 are also in the path of this storm, including Plano, Garland, McKinney, Rowlett, Wiley, and Hebron. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for southeastern Denton County, southwestern Collin County, and northeastern Dallas County until 7:15. A severe thunderstorm located near the Colony on 121 Sam Rayburn, moving east at 30 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.